We made you celery popsicles. I can get one. I broke through. What is this anyway?
I don't know.
Yeah, find out.
Okay. What is
It's an M&M without an M. I found my Easter basket.
What's that?
Star Wars book. Or maybe it's just Star Wars dictionary. It's a Star Wars dictionary, I think. Yep, it's a Star Wars dictionary. I know it. Yep, it's a Star Wars dictionary. Look at that walker. It tells you about them. Is that pretty cool? Aw. Look at this. That's the whole cruise. That's funny. That guy. Did you see this bunny?
It looks really soft.
And really funny. He's hugging a baby bunny. Let's go look for Easter eggs. Okay.